Hello, my name is Disha. I have recently completed my graduation. I am a BA graduate with a major in psychology. After completing my graduation, I actually was confused and I caught myself in a dilemma whether I should choose counseling psychology or clinical psychology, or should I just go for something completely different. I was actually trying to search resources for psychology graduates, and that is when I came across an ad from Infigon Futures. They were promoting their certified career planner program, and that's how I found them. Initially, I had a few questions regarding if the program would be a worthwhile investment, you know, with all the skills and all the different technicalities they were going to teach me in the program. So, when it comes to the confidence growth, I was genuinely pretty scared of how I will deal with all of this, since this was my first step into my profession. But as the course progressed, I was made comfortable by the counselors. They gave me on hand training, and then my confidence just shoot upwards from there. Infigon actually gave me a lot of support. Not only when it comes to the psychometric tests and like teaching all of that, but also they helped me set up my business. They set up my entire profile. They helped me launch my career, and I think that's what truly set them apart. As compared to their other competitors, I think they're the best. So the Infigon CCT program actually had a pretty significant impact on my career. They helped me provide counseling to students, like explained how to do that, gave me shadow sessions, as well as they also helped me build a foundation for my business. And they also helped me develop confidence in the kind of helping I was providing to the students who required counseling. When it comes to career success, I have been really grateful to Infigon. I have completed around 100 students. I've counseled around 100 students in the past 3 months, I think, and business is going well. When it comes to the support that I got from Infigon, they have wonderful counselors, especially Lakshmi ma'am and Navya ma'am, who helped me throughout my journey and made me into the person and the counselor that I am today. One thing I would like to tell the psychology youth is that you don't just have to go for clinical or counseling. There are multiple other options, and career counseling is right now one of the most booming fields. And if you go ahead with the certified career planner course by Infigon Futures, I think it would be an amazing start to your career, and I wish you all the best.